Only 6% of business leaders say they fully trust AI to run a business process from start to finish. That's from the Harvard Business Review study of over 600 leaders. And honestly, that number makes sense because most AI tools get bought for the wrong job. In this video, I am ranking the 9 best AI tools for business operations in 2026, organized by the actual problem each one solves. For your inbox, your projects, your finances, or the busy work between your apps. Let's get into it. Now, I have links to everything we're about to discuss down in the description below. Now, let's begin with number 1, Marblism, because it's a different kind of product than everything else I'm about to show you. The other 8 tools on this list are point tools. Each one solves one slice of your operations, and you're the one wiring them together, prompting them, and checking their output. Marblism is different because it is an AI team. One subscription gets you 6 AI employees, and each one owns an entire function of your business. Let me introduce you to your new team. Eva is gonna run your inbox and your calendar and can clear your inbox to 0. Rachel answers your phone and books appointments around the clock. Stan is gonna handle lead follow-up while Linda turns contracts around. And Sunny and Penny are gonna cover your social and your SEO content. And the power of this is that they share context with each other. So a lead Stan surfaces is already understood when Eva drafts the reply. And here's the part that matters. Nothing sends, posts, or goes out without your approval. I know that's a big deal if you're just getting started. And it will automatically run the work for you. And we can cover a lot here, but the privacy is unmatched. So for $24 a month on annual billing for all 6 with a 7-day money-back guarantee, Marblism is number 1 on our list. For comparison, a paid assistant plus an automation plan plus a project tool already passes $50 a month before you even have touched a phone service or a contract tool. Which, by the way, all of that is included in your Marblism subscription. So if you are the owner covering your inbox, your phone, the follow-up, and admin all alone, the real problem is that everything needs doing at once, and Marblism is the strongest answer in the entire space. Now, number 2, let's talk about Claude. If you've been on the internet for more than 5 minutes, you've probably heard of Claude. And if you haven't used it yet, it is one of the most flexible and powerful AI assistants today. You can connect it to dozens of other tools. That way it can have access to your emails, your meeting notes, your Notion database, your forms, and a lot more. It can draft emails for you, work through documents, and turn any type of messy notes into a beautiful SOP. It's a place where you're gonna feel real work getting done. There is a free plan, but the pro plan starts at $20 a month or $17 a month if you pay annually. So as a daily thinking partner, this is one of the best. Number 3, let's talk about Microsoft Copilot. If your business already runs on Microsoft 365, the AI lives inside of Outlook, Excel, Word, and Teams. Instead of next to them, it will draft and summarize your email threads, build Excel formulas in plain language, and recap meetings you missed. It's $18 per user per month on annual billing right now, and you do need a Microsoft 365 business plan underneath it. So if you are on the Google Workspace instead, skip this and look at Gemini, same idea inside Gmail and Docs. Number 4, I have to mention it, is gonna be Notion AI. This one is for your business where your knowledge exists, but nobody can find it. Notion is where your SOPs, wikis, and projects potentially all live. And the power of Notion AI is that it can pull from all of that. And it could also create databases based on on what you need specific to your use case. And similar to Claude, you can connect it to your favorite apps like Slack or Google Drive. The business plan is about $20 per user per month with the AI included. The catch here is that you can also set up custom agents, but those work on an additional system of credits. Number 5 is going to be ClickUp. If your problem is projects and handoffs instead of documents, ClickUp is my pick. Tasks, docs, goals, and dashboards in one place. And the AI layer, ClickUp Brain, writes status updates from actual task activities so you're not running status meetings. Plans start at $7 per month per user, and Brain is a $9 add-on. Now, when we go over 6, 7, and 8 on our list, these are automation tools. And this category is the heart of operations because most operational pain is just data moving between apps. Now, all 3 are gonna do the same core job: connect your software together. So, number 6 on our list is Zapier. Zapier is the one I'd hand to a non-technical owner. It will connect over 9,000 apps, more than anything else out there, and you could build workflows just by describing them. The free plan is gonna give you 100 tasks a month, which is a great way to start, but most likely if you're really using it, you're gonna wanna use their paid plan. And that starts around $20 a month. And as you may notice, this does charge you per task, so heavy volume does get expensive fast. Next is Make. And Make is the best value pick in this category. It is a visual drag and drop canvas, so you can see your workflow run, and it costs noticeably less than Zapier, starting around $9 a month with a generous free tier. Now there is a bigger learning curve here, but once you understand how it works, you'll be able to connect everything quickly. Next up is NAN, and this is for technical teams. You can self-host it, which keeps your data on your own servers, and your costs are predictable. It's even the strongest one out of the 3 for building AI agents with approval steps. The self-hosting version is free, but if no one on your team can run a server, you could stick with Zapier or Make. And number 9 is gonna be Ramp. That's the sleeper on this list. Finance is the last thing owners think to automate, but it eats real hours. Ramp gives you corporate cards, expense management, and bill pay, with AI that reads receipts, codes transactions, and syncs everything to your accounting tool throughout the month. And that way, only odd charges will reach you. And the core platform is actually genuinely free. So if you are a US-based company and still coding expenses by hand at the end of every month, this one decision is gonna give you your weekend back. Now, how would I get started with any of these tools or all of these tools? This is my recommendation. Start with the tool that solves a real pain point, not the tool that sounds nice. So for example, Marblism is gonna help you manage your email, and you are probably overloaded with email right now. Or alternatively, it can help you answer calls or help you do outreach. Those are very practical use cases that you can start with right away. And then from there, once you get comfortable with a tool, you could layer on an additional tool. Don't forget, I have links to everything in the description below. And hey, if you got value from today's video and you want more content like this, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.